be true. Speculating along.
Before we begin, I noticed that most viewers of this channel haven't subscribed yet. If you want to be updated whenever I upload new videos, please subscribe to my channel and be part of our growing community. Lastly, don't skip ads to support the channel. Thanks, and I love you so much.
Myself, like, too much? 'Cause I think that I've been falling ever since that day out in the park. And I don't know if this is love, but maybe this could be the start. Wondering if you'll feel the same. Wondering if.
Open Picsart app and add the picture that you want to edit. Now go to Tools, then Adjust to add brightness. Adjust amount to -24. Contrast -23.
And replaying that look upon
Clarity +10. Saturation +20.
never ages, always
+5.
my day.
Highlights +14. Shadows +18.
You said
Temperature +15. Then apply it.
Like too much.
After that, go to Effects, under Simple tab, look for 1972 and adjust the fade to +75.
This is love, but maybe
Now you're done. It's beautiful, isn't it? Save it. Remember, you can use this filter for personal use only. Thanks.
if my heart's okay. I don't know if this is love or just a phase.
Oh, if I could have.
Cantiknya